Huawei's Mate X6 redefines resilience with its aerospace-grade materials, ensuring durability that withstands even the toughest conditions. In a groundbreaking demonstration, the frame remained intact after a direct hit from a cement block, showcasing its superior strength. The innovation doesn't stop there. The foldable display, as thin as paper, held firm under the weight of a 300-kilogram motorbike, proving its robustness. This exceptional build quality sets a new standard for foldable smartphones, making the Mate X6 a true powerhouse in durability. The Mate X6 boasts an advanced thermal management system, featuring a 3D VC with liquid cooling and a highly thermoconductive graphite sheet. This cutting-edge setup efficiently dissipates heat, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining optimal performance. The graphite sheet's ability to cut through ice faster than copper highlights its superior heat conduction properties. This ensures the device remains cool under heavy use, providing users with a seamless and uninterrupted experience, even during the most demanding tasks. Huawei's Mate X6 features a 6.45-inch cover screen safeguarded by second-generation Kunlun glass, offering unparalleled protection against scratches and impacts. In controlled tests, the display emerged unscathed, demonstrating its impressive resilience. This innovative glass technology not only enhances durability, but also maintains clarity and touch sensitivity, ensuring a premium user experience. With this level of protection, users can confidently carry their Mate X6 anywhere, knowing their screen is secure from everyday hazards.